At the church. Cemetery, I mean.
8 feet distance. 5 miles per hour.
Gonna fly a mission.
100% battery.
This is the drone that I just repaired. I'll try it again. Last time I flew it, I was kind of battling the f-stop exposure, and then I realized that I had it set to manual. I just want to get a focus point. If I can find one. Okay. Probably have to turn off. There we go. It's on manual, so we'll see what happens.
145 feet altitude.
Shit.
0 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 95% battery.
One more shot. Unfortunately, it got a little windy. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to complete this because it's kind of a long mission. Oh, that exposure is sensitive. It's set to manual, so it shouldn't be that bad. Let me get in the car because the sun is shining. Can't really see the screen. Yeah, I don't know.
300 feet altitude. 263 feet distance. 11 miles per hour. 90% battery.
How well this is going to do in the wind. Moving pretty good. Yeah, this camera seems a lot more sensitive than my other one. But the other one, I was going crazy trying to get it to balance right. Last time I flew, get to an area where it was bright, going from like, you know, kind of shady to bright, and just like, wow, totally overwashed. Got the sun high in the sky, which is kind of unusual.
299 feet altitude. 2,109 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 86% battery.
I'm facing backwards, so I'm not flying into the sun. But I'm basically I've done this mission quite a few times, but I'm going the opposite direction. I gotta get out of the sun. It's like a little sub power station down there. I turn around. I'm having trouble with the connection right here.
298 feet altitude. 3,821 feet distance. 11 miles per hour. 82% battery.
Yeah, it's kind of going the opposite direction. I've been flying a similar mission, kind of running the perimeter of the entire, like the farms out here. And it's cutting through this one neighborhood. My signal's a little choppy right now. And it's going to fly back over the railroad tracks and back down towards me again. It's in the wind right now. Yeah, it wasn't windy when I left my house. I got out here and shit, it's windy.
299 feet altitude. 4,197 feet distance. 7 miles per hour. 78% battery.
Yeah, the sun's in a rough spot right now. I'm going slow, but it's all right. Once I get past this turn, it'll pick up. It's going to fly over the railroad tracks here and come down and back. This is a little bit of a long mission. It sets 15 minutes, so I'm probably not going to be able to finish the very end of it, which is fine. Because like I said, I wasn't expecting it to be. I thought it was calm. But Old Glory's moving over here. Now it's going to head over the tracks. 12, 13 miles an hour. Focus looks nice and sharp. It's always hard to tell.
4,484 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 66% battery.
Because I'm nearsighted and I can't see the screen that good. When it gets to the end of this turn here, which is down a ways, it's only going 9 miles an hour. It's gonna fly back, but I'm gonna probably intercept it and not. It won't finish the mission because it's the battery's getting low already, 65%. I wasted a lot of time farting around when I was trying to focus it too. Of course, there's no train coming. When I was flying around down here, I noticed on the ground there's an old ambulance that's jumped.
292 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 63% battery.
I was flying down there, kind of looking around at like there's little junkyards everywhere out here. But I think it said Chatham Rescue Services. Yeah, it's an ambulance down there. Might be that white one. I can't tell from here, but it is down there. Nice picture. Good exposure.
Feet altitude. 4,331 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 58% battery.
Yeah, I won't be able to finish this. What it's really going to do is it's going to cut across the back of the fields, and then it was going to go down to the main road down there before you turn onto this road, the Apple Orchard Road, whatever the name of it is. But it's okay. Save it for a not windy day. Like I said, I didn't think it was windy. No Glory's got an erection. It's going to make a turn down here. Should see a big increase in speed. I was going to do a second flight, but I'm not comfortable with the wind. And it's not really that bad. It's just this sustained, probably about 10 miles an hour.
99 feet altitude, 4,814 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 48% battery.
Should get the wind to its back.
299 feet altitude, 5,279 feet distance, 11 miles per hour, 43% battery.
I'm going to let it go 5% more. If it doesn't pick up speed, I'm going to bring it back, but there we go. It's got the wind to its back now. It's not that far away. Yeah, it's going to cut down behind and come up that little path in the woods.
299 feet altitude, 4,207 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 38% battery.
I think I'm going to let it do that, and then I'm going to bring it back. So I'm down at 38%, and I don't want to go hiking. That or 30%, whatever comes first.
$299 feet altitude, 3,847 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 33% battery.
Now it's killing it. It's going to turn, and it's going to shoot up the little hole, the little path in the woods, and I'm going to take over, bring it back. It's not that far away.
$257 feet altitude, 4,237 feet
Ah,
distance,
hood rats.
21 miles per hour, 28% battery.
What's up, niggas? It's hard to see. Dropped altitude to 100 feet there.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%. Mission ended. 99 feet altitude. 2,128 feet distance. 6 miles per hour. 24% battery.
It's right across the street. I'm just going to let it auto land. Wasting more energy getting altitude.
Battery at 23%.
Good speed. Oh, my hands are cold. Yeah, I'm not going to do another flight. I was going to do 2, but it ain't worth it. It's too chilly. It's the first time I've been able to fly in like 3 or 4 days. It's been so nasty.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
Pretty good. 17 minutes already.
244 feet altitude. 770 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 19% battery.
It's going to be really nice tomorrow, so I'll probably get a couple flights in. But it's getting really cold out right now, and the sun is just going down.
Warning.
I can hear the train. There we go.
At 18%.
Right over my head. Here he comes. Got deer hoofs right here in front of me in the snow. Gotta slow the gimbal down a little bit. I don't like how fast it goes when you touch it.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%. 68 feet altitude. 1 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 14% battery.
That's going to make a really nice picture. Beautiful.
Warning, aircraft battery at 13%.
13%. That was almost a 19-minute flight. So I'll be out tomorrow. It's just got chilly, windy. I couldn't finish this mission, but no biggie. There was only another maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes extra that I didn't get in. But I'll try it again tomorrow. I'll come back. All is well. D-Dub out.